Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change the password of your TikTok account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. Before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, open your TikTok and go on versus profile at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're on your profile, you want to click on the three line at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you click on the three line, you can see where it says settings and privacy option. Click on it. Now once you're on setting and privacy, you can see the little account option over here. Click on it. Once you click on account, you can see the little passport option. You want to click on versus password. Now once you click on it, it's going to send a verification code to your Gmail or phone number, whatever thing is linked to your TikTok account. So mine is Gmail, so I'm going to go to my Gmail to check the code which is sent to me via TikTok. Alright, so I'm going to enter the code over here, and if the code is correct, it's going to take me to the next step where I can enter my new password. Now once you're over here, enter the new password you want for your account. After you enter the new password, click on next. Once you do that, your new password will be set on TikTok. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can change your password on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.